To get Chime 200 Overdraft, you need to understand what Chime is and how it works. Chime is a mobile banking service that offers a range of financial products and services including a checking account and a debit card. The Chime overdraft service is called SpotMe and it allows eligible users to overdraft up to $200 on debit card purchases. To qualify for SpotMe, you need to receive a direct deposit of at least $200 or more within 45 days of opening your account. You also need to be a Chime checking account holder and have an active Chime debit card. If you meet these requirements, you can enroll in SpotMe through the Chime mobile app. Once enrolled, you will be able to overdraft up to $200 on debit card purchases without incurring any overdraft fees. It is essential to note that SpotMe is not a loan and you will not be charged interest on the overdraft amount. However, you will need to repay the overdraft amount when you receive your next direct deposit. To avoid any issues with SpotMe, it is crucial to keep track of your account balance and only overdraft when necessary. You should also ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to repay the overdraft amount when you receive your next direct deposit. In summary, to get Chime 200 Overdraft, you need to open a Chime checking account and receive a direct deposit of at least $200 or more within 45 days. You then need to enroll in SpotMe through the Chime mobile app and keep track of your account balance to avoid any issues with the overdraft service. By following these steps, you can access up to $200 in overdraft funds and avoid overdraft fees.